Hey everyone, Sprawsy here, and have you ever wondered what Rudolph would look like in a snowstorm? You know, Rudolph, the reindeer with the red shiny nose who flies Santa's sleigh around at Christmas. So you know how in the dark night sky his red nose shines like a beacon, lights up the night sky, guides Santa on his sleigh. Well, have you ever wondered what if it was a snowstorm? What does Rudolph then look like in a snowstorm where there's snow everywhere? So for question again, what does Rudolph look like in a snowstorm? Well, I have the answer here on my t-shirt. See here, Rudolph in a snowstorm. The big red dot being Rudolph. Basically, the t-shirt is saying that in a snowstorm, the only part of Rudolph you would see is his red shiny nose. You wouldn't be able to see the rest of Rudolph. So this is what Rudolph would look like in a snowstorm.